Hey, Jefferson Multimedia. Let's look at how to download video from Schoology. It's always the same. I'll have the rough footage at Schoology. So if I click on it, click here and download. Click there, and it will take you to the rough footage at my Google Drive. Your download button is this down arrow right here. You click it, and it will say, this file is too big for Google to scan for viruses. You want to download it anyway, click yes, because it's nearly 5 gigs. So if you look up here, you can see the progress bar happening. You're going to be here for a while. Sweet. Now, this file, or this video, is called Bruin Bowl Rough, and it's big. It's like almost 5 gig. Once you've downloaded it, and your downloads folder from your internet up in the top right shows you, I want you to hover over this and go to the folder where it is. Go to Show in Folder, and there it is. I want to transfer it, first of all, to my desktop, and it may take some time. Then I'm going to click on my desktop, and I'm looking for Bruin Bowl Rough. Here it is. I don't want you to store it on your desktop. That'll slow your computer down. I want you to save it in one of your hard drives. So how do you find your hard drives? When you move the slider on the left, this is all the different places on your computer where you can keep stuff. I want you to look for this PC. You'll see lots of hard drives. I want you to find the one with the biggest amount of space. You'll probably have to choose between a C drive and an E drive. And look for the one that has the bigger amount of space. But I want to drag that video, which is on my desktop, and then I want to save it to whichever drive is bigger. So I'm going to minimize all the stuff on my screen so I can see it. Bruin Bowl Rough, you see it right there? I'll use my C drive. Some of you will want to use your C drive. Some of you will want to use your E drive. Use whichever drive has more space, where the number's bigger, right? So double click on it. You'll have a bunch of stuff. I want you to look for a folder named Video. If you don't have a folder named Video, guess what? Right click, New Folder, and then name it Video. But if you have a video folder, click on it. Now, mine has some stuff for other projects that you guys don't have. But what I want us to do is take the Bruin Bowl Rough video, drag it, drop it in the video folder. So we've downloaded Bruin Bowl Rough from Schoology. We put it on our desktop, and then we moved it into the hard drive because there's more room in the hard drive. Then open up Premiere Rush, and I want to create a new project. So click here. It's looking in my C drive, so I go to that video, and I find Bruin Bowl Rough. Click it, it turns blue. Then I go down in the corner, click on Create. Video is loaded in, hit your space bar or your play button. You'll notice as you start, sometimes it gets shaky because the crowd was so rowdy. But then you can start with the watching it 1, 2, 3 seconds. After the end of the play, hit your space bar. As for split, hit play, watch it until 3 seconds before the beginning of the next play, and that's it. That's how to load things in. Remember, it comes from the website to your desktop, then you move it from the desktop to your hard drive, then you load it into Rush. It's a weird trip, but it works. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.